Don't scroll, transform your look. With 5 TikTok viral cuts you need in 2025. Hey everyone, I'm Brian with Raw Hair Luxury. Today I'm breaking down the top 5 haircuts taking TikTok by storm. Top 5 haircuts of 2025. First up, the wolf cut. Think shaggy layers with lots of texture. It frames your face and gives that rocker chic vibe. All you need is texturizing shears and a small amount of matte paste. Step 1, section hair into 3. Step 2, use shears to point cut into layers. Step 3, rub a pea-sized amount of paste between palms and scrunch through the ends. 2. Birkin Bangs. The Birkin Bangs, long, wispy fringe named after super icon Jane Birkin. Softer than blunt bangs, they skim the brows. To DIY, comb hair forward and hold scissors at a 45-degree angle. Cut in small vertical snips to avoid a heavy line. 3. Baroque Bob. Think classic bob with glamorous, sculpted waves, perfect for a polished, editorial look. Heat up a medium curling iron. Wrap 1-inch sections, hold 5 seconds, release and finger comb. Finish with a light serum for shine. 4. Kitty cut. Number 4, the kitty cut, short layers framing the mouth, with playful movement. It's ultra cute and easy to maintain. Divide hair into top, middle, bottom. Snip horizontally at mouth level on each layer, then texturize ends for soft edges. 5. Wispy layers. Finally, wispy layers, fine, feathered cuts that work on any length or face shape. They add movement without bulk. With dry hair, take vertical sections and slide cut from mid-length down. Blow dry with a round brush for that swept-away look. There you have it, wolf cut, Birkin Bangs, Baroque Bob, kitty cut, and wispy layers. Which one will you try first? Comment below your favorite, smash that like button, and hit subscribe for more home hair hacks. See you in the next one.